The old arcade cabinet glowed with an eerie, inviting light. 10-year-old Alex, a self-proclaimed gaming prodigy, couldn't resist. Poppy Playtime, the title read, its letters dripping with a strange, unsettling charm. He inserted the coin, pressed start, and in a flash of blinding static, the world around him dissolved. He wasn't in the arcade anymore. The air was thick with the scent of dust and decay. The silence, broken only by the distant, rhythmic creak of machinery. Towering, faded walls surrounded him, adorned with unsettling murals of smiling, monstrous toys. This was Playtime Co., but not the one from the game trailer's tease was real. A chilling whisper echoed through the vast, abandoned factory. "Welcome to Playtime Co., where playtime never ends." A shadow detached itself from the gloom. A colossal, blue, furry figure with a wide, toothy grin emerged. Huggy Wuggy, its eyes, once cartoonishly friendly, now burned with a predatory hunger. Alex's heart hammered against his ribs. This wasn't a game, it was a nightmare. He ran, his small legs pumping, the monstrous footsteps thudding relentlessly behind him. He ducked into a ventilation shaft, the metallic clang of Huggy Wuggy's hand missing him by inches. Crawling through the dark, claustrophobic tunnels, Alex stumbled upon a dimly lit room filled with discarded toy parts. A flickering monitor showed grainy footage of children playing, their laughter abruptly cutting off as a long, pink limb snatched them away. Mommy Longlegs. The factory wasn't just abandoned. It was a hunting ground. He had to escape. He navigated through the factory's labyrinthine corridors, solving rudimentary puzzles, each success bringing him closer to an exit, but also deeper into the horror. He narrowly avoided Kissy Missy, her unnervingly cheerful demeanor masking a terrifying pursuit. The toys weren't just programmed, they were alive, sentient, and malevolent. The final challenge was the game station, a twisted obstacle course designed for the factory's employees. Alex had to outsmart the toys, using their own environment against them. He triggered a collapsing walkway, sending Huggy Wuggy plummeting into the abyss below. He severed a power line, temporarily disabling Mommy Longlegs' pursuit. Each victory was fleeting, each escape a desperate gasp for air. Finally, he saw a faint light, an open door. He sprinted, the last vestiges of his courage fueling his exhausted body. He burst through, gasping, collapsing onto cold, hard concrete. He was back in the arcade, the old cabinet now dark and silent. He was safe. Or was he? As he looked down at his hand, a small, blue, fuzzy fiber clung to his sleeve. A faint, distant giggle seemed to echo in his mind. Playtime never ends.